All right, today we actually received a dog set of toys, so we're gonna open them up and we're gonna test them out with this little puppy here. Well, he's not little no more, he's getting big, but we're gonna open it up and see what we get when we get something like this. Let's go ahead and open it up. All right, so let's go ahead and start, see what we get. First of all, you get a watermelon. It's squeakable, it's flush. It's perfect for smaller dogs and puppies. For larger dogs, they might, have a little trouble, because it's a little easy, flexible. It's smaller, so I recommend it for a smaller dog. Oh, he's already crying for this toy already. They have this hard ball with the actual rope, and this is strong. I actually like these. These are perfect for for their teeth, so they could brush your teeth pretty much on them and chewing them all day. Now they do have this larger one, and this is actually very hard. But it has a squeaker too, and if you guys can see it. And then here goes another similar to one. These are ropes. These are actually really good for all sorts of dogs to actually chew on. And then you get a baby bottle. It has a squeaker too. You get another ball with rope. And then you get this little flush little puppy here. And unfortunately, this guy is always the first guy to go. And then they have this little squeeze-a-ball for football, if you guys can see that. And the actual rope too. So we're gonna see which one they like first. Let's see if they like this one first. Who wants this one? Who wants this one? Sit. Who wants this one? Get it. You got it. You like that? You don't like that? Toby's gonna take it. All right, they approved it. Let's get some more. Go get it. We got that one. And we got a rope. You got to sit down first if you're going to get the rope. Here you go. You want the rope? There you go. Good boy. You like this one? Who wants this one? Who wants this one? You guys want it? Go ahead. Fight for it. Puppy approved, dog approved. He's just take it away before you go to sleep, because this guy's gonna be super loud. Which one's your favorite toy, Crypto? That one, let me see. Good boy. You like that one? Oh, go give me one. Give me one. Let me see. Bring the ball. Bring it here. Bring it here. Bring it in my hand. My hand. Give him my hand. Good boy.